Hello folks, this is Joe Samuel from San Diego. Give this one a shot on your own by hitting the pause button, and then we're going to do it together. Alright, hope you tried it on your own. So Mary walks 2 miles an hour on the way there, and then she walks 6 miles an hour on the way back, and she travels a total of 1 hour. The way I did this is I just figured how long does it take her to do each mile. So if she walks 1 mile down and then she has to walk 1 mile back. So on the way down, she's going 2 miles for every 1 hour. And then I want to see how long it takes her to do 1 mile. So if we just do kind of a cross multiplying, we get 2, x equals 1, x equals 1/2. So it takes her a half hour to do a 1 mile on the way down, or 30 minutes. So it takes her 30 minutes to do a mile. And then how long would it take her to do that mile going up? On the way up, she was going 6 miles for every hour. So how long would it take her to do 1 mile? This is kind of just a ratio over x hours. We would get 6x equals 1, 6 equals, sorry, x equals 1/6 of an hour. So it takes her 1/6 of an hour to go back up, or 1/6. How many minutes is that? That's 10 minutes. So it takes her 30 minutes to do a mile going down, and then that same mile would take her 10 minutes to go back up. So it would take her 40 minutes then to do 2 miles. And at this point, it's just a ratio issue. If it takes her 2 miles, if it takes her 40 minutes to do 2 miles, we want to know how far can she go up and down in 60 minutes. So x over 60 equals 2 over 40, and we just cross multiply. We get 40x equals 120, and then we just divide each side by 40. So x equals 120 over 40, or 12 over 4, or 3. That's the answer. So it would be 3 miles. And it makes sense because she would walk 1.5 miles going down and then 1.5 miles going up. Just to check our work, if it takes her 30 minutes to do 1 mile, then it would take her 45 minutes to do 1.5 miles. And then she has 15 minutes to walk back up. And every 10 minutes she does a mile. So she would do 1.5 miles in 15 minutes going up. And then that 45 minutes she would do a 1.5 miles going down. That part was just checking our work. So there you go. That's the answer, is 3. She would jog 3 miles in that 1 hour. Do this video right here if you want to keep getting better at these. I promise you, practice makes perfect. So do this video and keep on rocking.